What's good, YouTube? It's another day, and I ain't really want to drive it, you know what I'm saying? So I did take the little grill off because my homeboy was telling me go and show the intercooler off, so I went ahead and did that. You know what I'm saying? I'm satisfied with it. But I had to change out an O2 sensor because I had an O2 sensor fault code, so that's why I didn't drive it. When I had checked the fault codes, I did see an O2 sensor fault. So I did drive it before this video, but it was giving me issues with running lean. So I came back, changed out the O2 sensor, and now we here. So that's all that's different from then to now. The grill is taken out, so the intercooler is exposed, and I got a different O2 sensor put in. And I didn't really want to film all of that because I just showed me putting O2 sensors in when I did the catalyst down pipes, so I didn't really see the need to film all that over again. So I went ahead and knocked it out. But enough of me talking. I'm gonna get in the car, let it warm up, and you know what I'm saying, let y'all see how it sounds and let y'all see the differences from then to now. I'm about to just slap these in real quick. Get the box open. What I'm working with, the M3 style rearview mirror covers. I got these off eBay, pre-painted, as you can see. So I'm gonna go and slap these in. I don't know if I'm gonna need this or not. I'll try to just pop it out. So when I did the right side, I learned it's like easy if you pull it from the bottom and then get something thin, put it up in there, and then just pull it out. It comes straight out. None of the tabs broke off. It's all good. Then putting a new one on, I came from the close and put it on that tab right there first, and then just curve it on. So I'm gonna check the codes real quick. Make sure I ain't got nothing going on. No codes, good news. All right. So I'm gonna let the car warm up, and I'm gonna go back behind Walmart, get a couple of exhaust revs, and then another little pull. And then I'm gonna upload the old clips that I got of the exhaust revs and the pull before I got all these upgrades on. I should notice a difference. Alright, so the JB4 just let me know that the car above 160 degrees. So we're gonna take this behind Walmart. I think I hit 18 PSI just now. the stock diverter valves. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Probably gonna blow the charge pipe. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so it's warmed up enough. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get the exhaust rails first. Got a little backfire. Employees, they probably gonna call the police. Seatbelt. It fell faster. She told me slow down. Altogether, the car feels a lot stronger, a lot quicker. It's making a lot more boost. Matter of fact, I'm making a third gear pull. Like the video, man, leave a thumbs up, comment, man, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yeah, man, that's really it though. I'm making 18 PSI now. Making like 17 PSI consistent. But yeah, the car is definitely a lot faster. But that's all I got for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Leave a thumbs up if you like the video. And that's all I got.